Thank you for joining me today. So, today we're going in with the lightest shade of purple in the palette, just as a starting shade to prime. Then we're just going in slightly deeper with that next shade. We're going in with a dark purple liner. It's more of like an indigo blue or indigo purple in the upper lash line. And we're just doing a little V in the outer crease. We're just taking a little bit of brown with a really small brush. We're just getting that in the outer corner. And we're taking a little bit of purple shimmer. Just on the top with a wet brush. Going back in with that indigo liner and just creating a bit of a wing. And just doing that waterline. We're piling on the black mascara. Bringing the concealer under the eye, on the forehead, and on the chin. And just blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Just going in with that lightest shade of purple under the eyes. A small brush, and then just a slightly darker version of that light purple, and taking that shimmery purple shade with a wet brush under the eye. And just working that waterline, getting that nice and dark. And just putting more black mascara. I think this is probably our third coat. And making sure that you get the lashes on the bottom this time. So we're just polishing off the eyes there. Now with a cool toned contour stick, doing the jawline, cheekbone, and forehead, the nose, of course, and just stippling that into my forehead, jawline, and doing my nose with my fingers, because that's all you need, and then just getting those cheeks. Just taking a little bit of that pink liquid lipstick in Cheeky from Maybelline. So it's a light nude pink. And taking some light pink cream highlighter Finishing the nose and Cupid's bow. And taking some of that dark brown lip liner. Putting Cheeky from Maybelline on top. And yes, of course, more mascara. That's me. So this is a nice, quick, fairly quick, easy makeup tutorial that you can use every day. Oh, and we're just going to add a little bit of highlight from the pan there. Just a light pink tone to highlight further with a wet brush. And that's our look today. Thank you for watching.